Welcome to Aldazon Escrow. I will quickly take you through our escrow platform. Escrow in general seeks to provide a third party in a transaction where it requires trust. It's popular in real estate transactions, but Aldazon is bringing this service to everyone regardless the industry you're in. We will use a scenario where Arma wants to buy a used product online from Kofi. However, Arma lives in Accra but Kofi is in Kumasi. Arma fears is that, if she pays, Kofi won't send the item. And Kofi also fears that, if he send it first, Arma will not pay upon receipt. We should not blame them for not putting trust in someone you met online. That's exactly what a rational internet user should behave because of online scammers. Now that Aldazon Escrow is available, Arma pay the negotiated amount but will be held by Aldazon Escrow and get released to Kofi after Arma confirms she has received the item and check it thoroughly to match it conditions in the description. If the item conditions doesn't match what was described to you, you can raise a dispute on the transaction. That is where our escrow contract come into play to resolve any outstanding issues raised. First, the buyer and seller must register on the Aldazon Escrow platform. Make sure you read the instructions and the escrow platform to avoid untraceable errors. After registration, log in and familiarize with the account interface. Now this part is for the buyer. Arma will have to make a deposit of cash into his escrow wallet. Select the available payment gateway and follow the procedure to make payment. In case you are not able to make payment online, go to the home page and request to make payment offline on our live chat. One of our team will assist you to either pay through mobile money or a bank. This is the only way to load your escrow wallet offline. After you have made payment, it should reflect on your escrow balance immediately except for the offline payment, which will reflect after we confirm receiving your payment. Now that your escrow wallet the amount you want to use and make the escrow payment, go to Manage Escrow on the menu, and select Create New Escrow. Type in the username of the seller you are buying from and submit. You will then have to type in the agreed transaction amount, the title of the transaction and the description. The later two could be instructions of delivery, especially the delivery method and any other extra agreed condition. After which you then submit. If successfully, go to View Transaction where you have the option to release payment after receiving the item. In case you are not satisfied with the product condition, raise a dispute on the transaction using the Admin Help button. You will be sorted out and either gets refund after returning the item or renegotiate the deal with your seller. Now let's look at a scenario where the deal is successful. The buy now goes to the escrow list from Manage Escrow button. Click on the View Transaction. Click on Create Milestone, which is located at the top right corner in the escrow history panel. If you are sending to a new seller, follow the earlier step we used in the beginning of this tutorial. Now type in the details of the intended transaction. Once you receive the item and you are satisfied, click on Release Payment and the transaction will be confirmed. Let us look at the buyer side also. After Arma initiated an escrow payment to Kofi, he will receive a notification about the transaction and he can check details of it. After clicking the notification, Kofi will be sent to the escrow history. He will have to check the amount sent and the details that comes with it. If it was not the agreed amount, he can reject the transaction by clicking on Reject Amount. But will do nothing if he is pleased with the amount. Also, Kofi can raise a dispute if he have sent the product but Arma refused to release the payment for him. Once everything is successful, and after Arma have released the payment, it will reflect Kofi Escrow wallet. Now it's left onto Kofi to either withdraw the amount of USIT to make escrow payment. Kofi can withdraw by clicking on Withdraw on the menu bar. Select your suitable withdrawal method. Type in the amount you want to withdraw, taking the charges into consideration. Any attempt to withdraw more than what is in your wallet will fail. Once successfully, your transaction will be approved and paid. That's how safe our escrow platform made it possible to transact business deals regardless of locations. We have put into consideration of possible disputes and fraud activities and will be detected. Thank you for watching. Have a safe business transaction.